Hey viewers, welcome to the Excel Tips and Tricks channel. Today, I'm going to show you how filtering is incredibly useful in Excel. Let's get started. First, I've already set up a table for this tutorial. Select the top row, then go to the Data tab and click the Filter command. You'll see drop-down arrows appear in your header row. When I click a drop-down arrow, a list of all the different values in that column appears. For example, if I only want to view computers and projectors in my Excel sheet. Next, I uncheck the box that selects everything, and then I check only computers and projectors. After that, I hit OK, and just like that, Excel filters the data to show only the information I need. Now, let's say I want to narrow down the data even further to focus on specific brands like Intel and Dell. To do this, I go to the brand column and click the drop-down arrow. I scroll through the list and uncheck the box that selects all brands. Then, I check only Intel and Dell. Once I hit OK, Excel will filter the data to display only the rows that match those brands. Now, I will show you how to filter data using numbers, which is perfect when you need to get more specific with your data. For example, if you want your data to remain between 100 and 350 in this sellout column, then click on the drop-down arrow and choose Number Filters. Select Between from the options and enter 100 as the minimum value and 350 as the maximum value. Once you've set your criteria, click OK, and Excel will display only the data that falls within this range. You can also easily clear the filters from columns that are applied. Now, I will show you how to filter text. Simply go to the brand type or model column, click the drop-down arrow, type the text you want to find, and hit OK. You'll see all the data related to your text will appear in the Excel sheet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.